Hey Resonators, I hope you all have been doing fantastic. So I haven't done a longer video in so long because I have had so much going on in my life, guys. My kids' birthdays are both in November and December, plus all the holidays. And I have some exciting news. I just purchased my very own booth in a painted tree boutique. So needless to say, I am slammed with business, but I am so excited to do this video for you guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you the start and finish of how I made this gorgeous custom domino set. And while you watch me whip this whole thing up, you will also be listening to two of the most triggering Am I the A-hole stories that I could find this week. So guys, grab a drink, grab a snack, and take a seat and listen to these stories and help me decide who's the a-holes in these situations. Also, make sure that you stay till the end so you can let me know what you think about the final results to this domino set. All right, guys, let's get into it. So this first one sounds so bad. You guys have to let me know what you think. Am I the a-hole for telling my mom that no one wants her here? So my wife has been having a really stressful time at work and she was looking forward to a vacation at her grandparents' cabin. She brought a few books that she wanted to read and I brought my fishing rod. She just wanted to take a break and not entertain anyone. So anyways, my dad came over with his fishing rod and we were gonna go fishing. It was supposed to just be him. But somehow my mom thought it was a good idea for her to come and I was shocked when she showed up. My wife had no plans to entertain her and I told my mom that, but my mom instead went to the store and grabbed food for lunch and dinner and expected my wife to cook for everyone. My wife said no and that she just wanted to relax, and if my mom wanted to cook, she could do it herself. When me and my dad got back, my mom started to complain about how she had to cook all the food all by herself. My wife just picked up her plate and went to the room. But my mom kept complaining, so I told her that technically she wasn't even invited and my wife had no plans to entertain her. This was her vacation and no one asked my mom to come. Mom said that she wished that somebody would have told her that, but I told her that we didn't even invite her, so she should have just took the hint. My parents left after dinner and my mom complained that my wife was a rude host. So I snapped back and said that nobody wanted her there to begin with. So was I the a-hole? No. I mean, he's a little bit rude about how he said it, I guess, but I would have said the same dang thing. The fact that she invited herself there and then complained the whole time literally ruined the wife's vacation. So for me, I'm gonna say obviously OP and his wife are not the a-holes, and the mom is a 6 out of 10 for inviting herself to somewhere that she wasn't wanted. You guys have to let me know what you think about that situation in the comments. Okay guys, so this next one is as short as it is triggering. I swear some people are so out of line and they have to be checked for their behavior. So guys, let me know who's the a-hole in this situation. Am I the a-hole for calling my friend fat? So I've been friends with this guy for 3 years now, and I recently started hanging out with his friend group because mine kicked me out. For some reason, he thought that I had a crush on him and he rejected me immediately, even though I told him that I never liked him like that. Then I started dating his best friend for a few months and he got mad at me saying that I'm trying to take his friend from him. So after that, we did get a bit closer, but he still was accusing me of liking him and it started pissing me off. After literal years of him pestering me about it, I finally snapped and told him that I don't like him like that because he's fat and I don't want to date somebody that's fat. Needless to say, that hurt his feelings. I tried apologizing and he said that he forgave me, but now he's being mean and distant. He's always telling me to go away, and he even jokingly told my dad that he would rather try fentanyl than talk to me. So am I really the a-hole for what I said? Yeah, she's absolutely the a-hole to me. I mean, I get that he was making her feel uncomfortable. At that point, though, she should have just stopped hanging out with him. But to call a friend fat for that is just completely out of line, so I'm gonna give her a 7 out of 10 on the a-hole scale. But don't think I'm leaving the friend out. He gets a 3 out of 10 for me for repeatedly harassing her about liking him. So you guys let me know in the comments, do you agree with my ratings? Also, I need you guys to let me know what you think about my latest domino set, and be sure to drop some pink, purple, and green emojis in the comments if you're a true supporter. All right, my loves, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. As usual, stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.